Ejiro Vera Ovenya, Ejiro praise on Facebook. See what they plan, oh. My mother and my sister with Nero, the same person begging for apology. Apology without repentance. Have you seen it? All of you begging me, blackmailing me to go back. Sure, you have seen it. When I say this man is evil, none of you believe me. Now see the plan with him and my mother. Him, my mother and my sister. Nero King. See what Nero King has done to me, oh. Because of Ejiro. Nero King plan with my mother. See what they did, oh. See what they did. Nero King, oh. Nero King. With Ejiro praise. Ejiro praise on Facebook, oh. Ejiro Vera Ovenya, oh. See what they plan, oh. With my mother, oh. My own mother, oh. My own mother, oh. My own mother, oh. My own mother, oh.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about one woman wey cry out, wey say make they come see wetin e mama and e husband and the sister do to am. Say the thing shocktalize am. Although I don't really know how this thing take start, but the little wey me I understand now say e mama plan with e man, e own mama, your own mama go see plan do you bad thing. Like this one shock me, like seriously. As in, I don't understand. Person mama again. Say because he don't want go back that day. They tell her say make him go back. Nah. See what they can't do to Ram. He said because of Ejiro. Like this one shocked me. Hey, me no understand. Person mama go see go plan with your husband. With your pikin husband, they do your own pikin bad. I know because the girl really they bittered. The girl was crying. Like the girl they pain. I know as in this is they shock me. Like really. How can person mama go plan for a pikin? Plan with a pikin husband, do your own pikin bad. This one serious, my people. This one shocktalize me like seriously. The girl they cry. I say make the whole world come to the rescue. Because if you don't want to go back to the man, now the mama na go first and say make all of the people tell us say make him go back. So he even call the man name for Facebook. He call the Ejiro. Say because of Ejiro, see wetin the husband do am, you know, and the young mama too see plan. Hey, this life over there na everything now na social media. Everything now na social media. This one shock me, oh. This one shocktalize me like seriously. As the waiting on the happen for this world now, waiting this world now they turn it to now, we not gonna understand again. Person mama go see go plan with your pikin, your husband, they do your own pikin bad. Like I know just like this, the thing they surprise me. I put the video by people. I don't want to make the video too long. Make una watch the video with me. Maybe una go pick one or two things for each side. Bye everybody. Bye.
Oh, hey, what my mother is looking for. My mother has seen it, oh. What my mother is looking for. She has seen it, oh. My mother plan with Nero. My mother plan with Nero King. And my sister. Look what they did to me. Look what Nero King did to me, oh. Look what Nero King did to me, oh. Because of Ejiro Vera Ovenya. Ejiro praise on Facebook. See what they plan, oh. My mother and my sister with Nero, the same person begging for apology. Apology without repentance. Have you seen it? All of you begging me, blackmailing me to go back. Sure, you have seen it. When I say this man is evil, none of you believe me. Now see the plan with him and my mother. Him, my mother and my sister. Nero King. See what Nero King has done to me, oh. Because of Ejiro. Nero King plan with my mother. See what they did, oh. See what they did. Nero King, oh. Nero King. With Ejiro praise. Ejiro praise on Facebook, oh. Ejiro Vera Ovenya, oh. See what they plan, oh. With my mother, oh. My own 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 mother, oh. brother and my sister. Oh, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Oh, hey, hey.
It's been an amazing period, amazing period in my life. Ever since the news broke out that I married a second wife, it's been it's been crazy. The whole world went crazy, and just a summary of it. There's been a lot of messages, a lot of calls. I've had thousands of messages on my phone. I get calls every day. A lot of fans, friends, relatives as well, wanting to be sure that I'm fine, that I'm mentally okay. Also, to check up on me, be sure my family is good and all that, and we're fine. We're fine. At this point, I feel it's necessary to say why I married a second wife. At first, I didn't want to talk about it, but you see, I have a lot of fans all over the world who have been with me for so many years, who have been supporting me, excuse me, since I started my journey as an entertainer, as an actor since 2005. And, I have a lot of fans all over the world who have been supporting me, praying for me. They watch my films, they support my career, and I'm very grateful to these fans. I'm very thankful to them. And I noticed that a lot of them are concerned, they're concerned about my life. They want to be sure that everything is okay. They're concerned, they're asking why I did it. And when you have, this much love coming from people all over the world, a lot of fans, of course, which I appreciate, and I thank each and every one of you. Excuse me. I feel it's necessary to also, yes, it's my private life, but I feel it's necessary to also bring you into it a little bit, a little bit. I think the fans deserve to know, first of all, that I'm fine, that my family's fine, and partly also why I took my decision of marrying a second wife. So I decided to say why.